So you're gonna have to go through this with your Jeep TJ. Pull the handle, nothing happens. You have to do this to get out. So the Jeep TJ has a problem. The handle broke inside. Went on Amazon. I could buy 2 handles for 10 bucks, or I could buy one OEM one for 126 bucks. I could buy this 12 times for the price of one. I know, buy once, cry once, but I'm worried that I spent 126 bucks and it's made by the same Chinese kid, so we're gonna give it a try. I never took a door card off of TJ before, but I imagine if I just pop out a few screws, it'll pop out. Let's start with, let's see if we can get it without taking the door card off. Take this screw here out. How many screws? Take too long. There's a screw. Let's see if this screw is different. Huh. Thanks, Jeep, for putting 2 different fasteners. This is a Torx. Oh yeah. I do not think we need to take the door card off, because we can get into the niblets right here. Okay, to get this old one off, these clips, you just peel back, and this is where your friend Mr. Pick comes in handy. You just slide a pick in from the rod side. Oop, that broke. Good thing we got a new one. You know what? I'm going to reuse this old door handle and just, well, the spring feels broke in it too. We're going to compare it to the new one. Yeah, so here's the new one, has a little spring to it, where this one does not. Not that that matters too much, but I'm going to hang on to this, because if the other one breaks, I'll just replace these. So if you look at this one, the lock clip goes on the top, and it looks like they both go on the top. Okay, so it comes with these new ones. Push it in. Alright, so I got the slide in there. I actually put a little bit of Vaseline on it, and just popped it in with some pliers. Now let's see if we can fish the rods out of here. Yeah, all right. So this bottom one goes in here. The top one is for the lock. I never lock my doors, so I'm not really concerned. It'd be nice to have locking doors, but let's face it, any hobo with a broken bottle can get into this thing. So clearance is an issue. But lo and behold, I just dropped the lock one and it fell all the way down. All right, door card's got to come off. There are 5 T15 Torx. There's a hole up top on mine with nothing in it. I imagine it might have been a screw. Take my door card off. My door scan. The bottom uses a little screw. The door handle has a long screw. I don't know what these little sleeves are that hold the door skin in, but they have to come out. You can just pull them out with a pair of pliers. I don't know if there's a trick to them or not. Door card is off. This little broken piece of plastic has to come out. There. It would just be 1,000 times easier if I didn't have a camera in my way. There, got it. slide the pin. Come on, you're gonna snap in there. You know you're going to. Why fight it? Because you know you are gonna do it. We're gonna fix it or break it. And we fixed it. There we go. Put the door card back on. Actually, that can stay on, huh? I use a pair of pliers to squeeze these ends in to get them to snap in easier. Don't forget the door skin. Alright, so that took about 24 minutes to do. Easy to do. I don't think I had to take the door card off if I was careful and didn't drop the push rod for the lock. But taking the door card off adds an extra 10 minutes to it, so it is what it is. Alright, so if you got some time to kill, check out my podcast, 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast. The podcast is for off-roader with short attention span. There'll be a card for it up here somewhere. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, nobody cares. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click on the bell thing so I can annoy you at 4 in the morning when all this awesome content drops. Got something to say? Leave a comment down below. Love to hear from people who've done this or want to do this or tried to do this, or just even if you just want to say brr, 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 I'd love to hear it. I'd love to see that typed out. Anyhow, got some time to kill. Check out one of my awesome videos. This one here is a good one. This other one is probably good. I don't know. All right, as always, thanks for watching.